How to fix your Black Ops 6 Battle Pass problem. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. We're going to be going through 9 steps how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is simply go and check your Battle Pass status. You want to go to the Battle Pass tab in Multiplayer, Zombies, or Warzone and make sure that the Battle Pass is purchased and active. You want to simply go and check if the season is still active as well. You want to also try restarting your game and checking in again, or even try checking your internet connection. Try to use a wired connection for a better result, or you could also try restarting your router. If that is still not working, you want to check if the game has any pending updates and simply go ahead and update it on time. You want to also make sure that you have actually purchased your Battle Pass, and you can also try logging out and logging back in into your account. If nothing works, you want to simply go ahead and check Activision server status or visit support.activision.com to contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.